Hey guys, are you ready to find out how much of a coding genius you are? Come join us in the Next Wave Rapid Fire. Hello guys,
Hi.
we are actually from Next Wave and we are trying to check your tech IQ. Would you be willing to answer a few questions?
Sure, why not? Let's try.
Alright, what is the main function of a browser?
To browse. Browse is the function of browser.
To Google search.
Yeah, Google search.
To surf a web.
Yeah.
Cool.
Searching things.
Perfect. To surf web.
So the browser is something which we'll be using to search. It's like a search engine. Like we need to go ahead and like pull up all the information, whatever is there in the website. Like it is connected throughout the world. It is interlinking all the information throughout the world. So we can search within second whenever we want. We can
Perfect.
pull up the
To
information.
surf the web.
Yes.
Internet Explorer.
To surf web. That is the right answer.
To search.
Correct. To surf the web.
To access internet.
Right. To surf the web. What does UI stand for?
User interface.
Perfect.
User interface.
Correct.
United interface.
Sure. Same answer?
Yes.
User interface.
It's for
User interface.
User
User interface. You are rocking, ma'am.
No AI, but not UI.
No idea. What is AI?
Artificial intelligence.
So what would UI be? Universal intelligence.
Might be.
That's a funny answer.
User interface.
Correct answer.
User interface.
That is the right answer. Which of these is not a programming language? I'll give you options. Java, HTML, Python and Linux.
D option.
Yeah, I'm with her.
Linux is the right answer.
देखा
Linux, ask her what is Linux.
चुप
Ask her what is Linux.
भाई जो नहीं है I know Python and Java don't know what others so we are guessing it should be HTML.
It is Linux.
Oh, Linux.
Linux.
Correct.
Okay.
Linux is not a programming language because Java, Python, and the other
HTML.
one, HTML, like everything is interlinked, which we'll be using in front end and back end development.
Perfect. You seem like a full stack developer.
HTML, I guess.
Yeah,
HTML?
I go with that.
It's Linux.
Okay. Linux.
not. Linux is not a programming
Linux.
Correct.
Linux.
Both of you are on
Windows
fire.
ka user.
Correct.
Linux.
That's the right answer. You seem like a tech savvy. Which protocol is commonly used for secure internet communication? FTP, HTTP, HTTPS and SMTP.
Third one, HTTPS. Secure connection.
Great.
I just got to know about some alphabets. I'm not sure. HTTP.
B option.
Yes. You're just giving me options.
सही है ना
C option है.
अच्छा
HTTP.
HTTPS.
HTTPS.
Correct answer. You seem like a tech savvy, man.
HTTPS. S.
Right. That's the right answer. Yes.
Yeah, we know.
SMTP.
HTTPS.
HTTPS.
Correct answer. Which company developed the Android operating system? You want some? Yeah. कौन बनेगा कनौटपति?
Yeah, exactly.
Apple?
Apple.
Apple, Microsoft, Google and IBM.
Google.
That is the right answer.
Google.
IPM. कुछ भी बोल दो.
नहीं वो सही थे. Google था.
Google.
Google. That is the right answer.
Microsoft.
You think it's Microsoft? And you?
Yeah. Microsoft.
It's Google.
Google.
Correct answer.
अरे you? Why are you here?
Google and
Android.
Google is right answer.
Google is Android.
Amazing.
Should be Google.
Should be Google. Yeah. Google.
All right. In that case, Google is the right answer. Thank you for your time, guys.
Once yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm not Amitabh Bachchan. That's a wrap for this round. Stay tuned for more such fun coding challenges with Next Wave.